Got problematic skin? This mask may be for you. And Lululun seems to have upgraded the formula of all its sheets recently. This is a sheet mask with 19 ingredients. Just check out some here, written in comprehensible English for once. I live in Japan, and English, when it does appear, can be a tad off, shall we say. So among other ingredients, we have azelaic acid, hyaluronic acid, raffinose, bifidobacterium, niacinamide, and mandelic acid, which I think is AHA. All these ingredients are good for fighting acne, anti-aging, dry skin, good for brightening skin, good for sensitive skin, oily skin, reducing pores, scar healing, and dark spots. It's quite interesting to me that bifidobacterium as a probiotic helps maintain skin's natural moisture barrier. Anyway, that's quite a list of stuff. And a plus is that it doesn't contain any harsh alcohols, common allergens, fragrances, silicones, or sulfates. I like this mask because it targets visible pores, imbalanced skin, and roughness. And that can describe my skin at times. So let's open her up and slap on one of the 7 masks here. Yeah, I can't admit I'm a fan of the cut location and sizing in the Lululun mask series, but I can't deny how my skin feels after taking this thing off and letting my skin dry. The mask's formula seems to penetrate deeply, and my hope is that I'm getting all the essential vitamins, herbs, and hydration that this stuff promises. My skin does sure feel great after, though, so I recommend.